Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. Comes with 45,250 original miles. It's powered by the reliable 2.4 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Estima is four-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, we're going to take a look up here. The number that you're seeing up top, 72,824, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 45,250. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.